To upgrade the Rocket Money Android app, follow these simple steps. First, ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the upgrade process. Next, go to the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in the Apps drawer. Once you are in the Google Play Store, tap on the menu icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines or a profile picture, depending on your device and Google Play Store version. From the menu, select My Apps and Games. This will take you to a list of all the apps installed on your device, including the Rocket Money app. Look for the Rocket Money app in the list and check if there is an update available. If an update is available, you will see an update button next to the app name. Tap the update button to start the upgrade process. You may be prompted to review the app permissions before proceeding with the update. Review the permissions carefully and tap Accept to continue. The upgrade process will start, and you will see a progress bar indicating the status of the download and installation. Wait for the upgrade to complete, which should only take a few seconds or minutes, depending on your internet connection speed. Once the upgrade is complete, tap the Open button to launch the updated Rocket Money app. You can now enjoy the new features and improvements in the latest version of the app. As a best practice, it is recommended to regularly check for updates for all your installed apps, including the Rocket Money app, to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. By following these steps, you can easily upgrade the Rocket Money Android app and stay up to date with the latest features and improvements.